Emma, is that you? Emily? I can't believe this.
I am shocked. You are my doctor?
Yes, and you are my patient today. This feels like a dream. After so many years, wow. You look so different, so confident. And you look just the same, Emily. I didn't know you worked here. I finished my studies last year. Now I work in this hospital. That's amazing. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. What about you? I'm a software engineer now. Really? That's wonderful. Yes, I work in a big IT company. We both followed our dreams. But I didn't expect to meet you like this. Yes, in a hospital room. Actually, I'm not feeling well these days. Don't worry, tell me what happened. I have been feeling weak and tired. Since when? For almost 2 weeks. Do you have a fever? Sometimes, and I have headaches too. Are you sleeping properly? Not really. My work is very stressful. You always worked too hard, even in school. Yes, some habits never change. Do you eat on time? Honestly, no. That's not good, Emily. I know, I ignored my health. It's okay, we will fix it. I feel safe talking to you. I'm your doctor now, but first I'm your friend. I really missed you. I missed you too. Why did we lose contact? Life became busy after school. Yes, everyone went in different directions. Do you remember our school science project? Of course, we stayed awake all night. And you said you would become a doctor one day. And I did. I'm so happy for you. Thank you. Now let me help you feel better. What should I do? First, we will do some blood tests. Is it serious? I don't think so. It looks like stress and weakness. That's a relief. But you must rest and eat healthy food. Yes, Dr. Emma. Hey, don't call me like that. Okay, my dear old friend. After your tests, let's have coffee together. I would love that. Sometimes hospitals give happy surprises. Yes, today I found my doctor and my best friend. And this time, we will not lose contact again. Emma, can I ask you something personal? Of course, you can ask me anything. Are you married? Not yet, I'm still single. Really? I thought you would be married by now. My studies and hospital work kept me busy. That makes sense. Being a doctor is not easy. Yes, it takes a lot of time and energy. Do you live with your family? Yes, my parents live with me. That's so nice. How are they? They're good. They always support me. I remember your mother. She was very kind. Yes, she still is. She asks about my old friends sometimes. Tell her you met one of them today. I will. She will be very happy. What about you? Are you married? Yes, I got married 2 years ago. Wow, congratulations. Thank you. What does your husband do? He is also a software engineer. We work in the same company. That's lovely. Do you live in the city? Yes, we bought a small apartment near my office. That sounds perfect. It's small, but it feels like home. Do you visit your parents often? Yes, whenever I get time. They live in our hometown. I miss our hometown sometimes. Me too. Those were simple days. Do you remember the park near our school? Yes, we used to sit there and talk for hours. We had so many dreams. And now we're living those dreams. Life really changed. Yes, but our friendship feels the same. That's true. Emma, we should not lose contact again. Never again. This time we will stay connected. Give me your phone number. Sure, and give me yours too. I will message you right now. I got it. Now I have your number saved. Good. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I think so. Why? Let's meet outside the hospital, not as doctor and patient. I would love that. Maybe we can have lunch together. Or coffee at our favorite cafe-style place. Yes, and we can talk without stress. I'm already excited. Promise me you will take care of your health. I promise, doctor. I mean, my best friend. Good. Thank you for today, Emma. Thank you for coming into my office and my life again. See you this weekend. See you. Take care.
Hello, Emma speaking.
Hi, Emma. It's me, Emily.
Emily, so nice to hear your voice.
I hope I'm not disturbing you.
Not at all. I just finished my work.
That's good. How are you feeling today?
I'm fine. And how are you now?
Much better. I'm taking rest, like you said.
Good girl. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, doctor.
So tell me, why did you call?
I have some good news.
Oh, really? Tell me quickly.
This Saturday is my husband's birthday.
Wow, that's wonderful.
We are planning a small birthday party at home.
That sounds nice.
And I want you to come.
Me? Really?
Of course, you are my best friend.
I would love to come.
Please come with your mom and dad, too.
Emily?
Yes? Did I say something wrong?
No, it's just my father passed away 2 years ago.
Oh, Emma, I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
It's okay, you didn't know.
I feel really bad.
Please don't. It was a heart attack. It happened suddenly.
That must have been very hard for you.
Yes, it was the most painful time in my life.
Why didn't you tell me?
We were not in contact, and I was very busy with my studies.
I'm really sorry I was not there for you.
It's okay. Life separated us for some time.
How is your mom now?
She's stronger now, but she still misses him every day.
I can understand.
I try to spend more time with her.
You are a very strong daughter.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Please bring your mom on Saturday.
Are you sure?
Yes, absolutely. She will not feel alone.
That's very kind of you.
We will celebrate together. It will be a happy evening.
My mom will like that. She doesn't go out much.
Then this is a perfect reason.
What time should we come?
Around 7 p.m. It's a simple dinner party.
Okay, we will be there.
I'm so happy you're coming.
Me too. It will be nice to meet your husband.
He is excited to meet you as well.
Thank you for inviting us, Emily.
Thank you for accepting.
See you on Saturday.
See you. Take care of your mom.
I will. Good night.
Good night, Emma.
You're home.
Yes, Mom. I'm so tired today.
You look very tired. Was it a busy day?
Yes, many patients came today.
Sit down first. I will bring you some water.
Thank you, Mom.
How was your day at the hospital?
It was long, but something surprising happened.
Surprising? What happened?
I met someone very special today.
Who? Tell me quickly.
I met Emily, my school friend.
Emily? Really? After so many years?
Yes, she came to the hospital as a patient.
Oh my God! How is she?
She's fine now, just weak because of stress.
I remember her. She was very smart.
Yes, she's a software engineer now.
That's wonderful. Is she married?
Yes, she got married 2 years ago.
Where does she live?
In this city, near her office.
What does her husband do?
He's also a software engineer. They work together.
That sounds nice. Are they happy?
Yes, she looked happy.
I'm so glad you met her again.
Me too, Mom. It felt like old times.
Did you talk about school days?
Yes, we laughed a lot.
That makes me happy.
And she invited us to her husband's birthday party this Saturday.
Us? She invited me too?
Yes, she said I must bring you.
That's so sweet of her.
I told her about Dad.
You told her?
Yes, she didn't know. She felt very sorry.
It's okay. She was not in contact with us.
She wants you to come and enjoy the evening.
I would love to meet her again.
Really? I thought you might feel uncomfortable.
No, beta, it will be nice to go out.
She seems very excited to see you.
I want to know everything about her life.
I know, Mom. You have many questions.
Of course, I want to see her house too.
She said it's a small but beautiful apartment.
What gift should we take?
Maybe a cake or flowers.
Yes, and something special for her husband.
That's a good idea.
I'm already excited for Saturday.
Me too. It feels like life is giving us a new beginning.
True, friends always find their way back.
You're right, Mom.
Now go and rest. You look very tired.
Yes, I will sleep for a while.
I will wake you up for dinner.
Thank you, Mom. I'm lucky to have you.
Auntie, I still can't believe you are here.
I'm happy to see you again, sweetheart.
It has been so many years.
Yes, time passed very fast.
You look healthy, Auntie.
I try my best to stay strong.
I remember your warm smile from school days.
And I remember your bright eyes.
You always treated me like your own daughter.
Because you were like my second daughter.
That makes me emotional.
Don't cry today, it's a happy day.
Yes, you're right.
Tell me, Betha, are you happy in your married life? Yes, Auntie, my husband is very caring. That makes me very happy.
We both work a lot, but we support each other.
That is important in marriage.
Sometimes work becomes stressful.
Then you must take rest. Health is very important.
Yes, Auntie, I learned that recently.
Emma told me you were not feeling well.
Yes, I ignored my health.
Don't do that again. Your family needs you.
I promise, Auntie.
Your house is very beautiful.
Thank you. We decorated it together.
I can see love in every corner.
That is so sweet of you to say. When are your parents visiting? Next month, they want to see our home.
They must be proud of you. I hope so. Your uncle used to say you would become successful. I still remember his words. He liked you very much. I miss him. We all miss him every day. Auntie, if you ever feel lonely, please call me. That means a lot. You are not alone. Thank you. Your words give me comfort. I want to visit you soon. My home is always open for you. Just like old times? Yes, just like old times. I want to sit in your kitchen again and drink tea. And I will make your favorite snacks. That sounds perfect. Promise me you will come soon. I promise, Auntie. God bless your married life. Thank you for your blessings. Today I feel like meeting my own daughter again. And I feel like I found my second mother again.
So you are Emma. I have heard a lot about you.
Oh, really? I hope only good things.
Mostly good, but some funny stories too.
That sounds dangerous.
Emily said you were the serious one in school.
That is not true. She was more serious than me.
Really? She told me you always studied day and night.
Yes, but she was always number one in class.
That explains a lot. She still works all night sometimes.
Some habits never change.
Did you both ever get into trouble?
Oh, yes, many times.
I want to hear this.
One day, we laughed loudly in the library.
In the library? That is a crime.
Exactly. The teacher asked us to stand outside.
I can't imagine Emily laughing loudly.
You don't know her school version.
Tell me more.
Once, she forgot her homework and blamed her dog.
She doesn't even like dogs.
I know! That was the funny part.
This is new information for me.
I have many secrets about her.
Should I be worried?
Only a little.
Now I understand why she was nervous to meet you again.
Nervous? Why?
She said, Emma knows all my embarrassing stories.
That's true.
Did she ever fight with anyone?
Yes, once someone took her pen.
And?
She gave a long speech about honesty.
That sounds like her.
She always loved giving advice.
I'm happy she has a friend like you.
And I'm happy she found a good husband.
Thank you. She talks about you with respect.
That's sweet of her.
I'm glad you both met again.
Me too. It feels like school days have returned.
Next time, you must show me old photos.
Oh yes, I have some very funny pictures.
I'm excited already.
But I will share them only if you promise something.
What promise?
You must plan another party soon.
Done. I love parties.
Good answer.
Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Now I understand why Emily values your friendship.
And now I understand why she smiles so much these days.
That's the best compliment.
It feels peaceful out here.
Yes, the night air is calm.
I needed this quiet moment.
Me too. The party is lovely.
Thank you for coming. It means a lot to me.
I wouldn't miss it for anything.
When I saw you at the hospital, I was so shocked.
I was shocked too.
It felt like destiny.
Maybe it was.
I always wanted to meet you again.
Why didn't you call me before?
I don't know. Life became busy.
Yes, life changes people.
But some feelings never change.
Like true friendship.
Exactly.
I'm happy you are married and settled.
I'm happy too, but sometimes I miss our simple days.
Sitting in the park after school?
Yes, talking about dreams.
You wanted a big house and a big job.
And you wanted to become a doctor.
We were young and hopeful.
We still are hopeful.
When Dad passed away, I felt very alone.
I wish I had been there for you.
It's okay. You're here now.
You are very strong, Emma.
I had to be strong for Mom.
Your mom is very sweet.
She liked you very much.
I felt so comfortable talking to her today.
She needs people around her.
We will visit often, I promise.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
I don't want to lose you again.
You won't.
Let's meet at least once every month.
Deal. And no excuses this time.
Agreed.
I'm proud of the woman you've become.
And I'm proud of you, Doctor.
Don't start again.
Okay, my best friend.
The night sky looks beautiful.
Yes, just like our memories.
I should go now. Mom must be tired.
Yes, of course. Let me walk you to the door.
Thank you for this beautiful evening.
Thank you for coming back into my life.
Call me tomorrow.
I will.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Happy birthday again to your husband.
I'll tell him. He really liked you.
Good night, Emily.
Good night, Emma. Drive safely.
Bye, and see you soon.